It's phone season, and it is time to unbox the media kit for the OnePlus 8T. I'm so excited. I love unboxing OnePlus phones, and I especially love their media kits because it's always like a really fun experience. Ultra stops at nothing. The most exciting thing about this is I don't know what's inside of here. I haven't seen a media guide, I haven't seen a review kit, so you guys are witnessing me learning about this device for the first time ever. Me learning how to open a box for the first time ever. I think it goes like this. Yeah. Whoa! And here it is. The reviewer's guide. All of the information that we need to know is in here. It's like a children's storybook. For the past 7 years, OnePlus has focused on delivering the best smartphone experience possible for our users. 120Hz fluid display, warp charge 65, performance, quad camera, system design, Oxygen OS 11. Okay, this is the table of contents. 128 gigs, 256 gigs of storage. Oh yeah, buddy. Snapdragon 865. We've got 5G. There's a new ultra-wide camera, 123-degree field of view, 120Hz fluid AMOLED, Corning Gorilla Glass. Let's open it. Okay, this case, what the heck? Look how freaking cool this is. Super cool, I love this. This is called the Quantum Bumper Case, Cyborg Cyan. Okay, let's get you out of here. Let's see what the fuss is all about. Oh my gosh! I cannot be trusted. I'm thinking about a lot of things right now. When you think about it, I mean, this has been shipped to me. It's probably been all around the world. It has probably received a few more bumps than that, but it's still in the packaging. Let's open this up. Yeah. Let's see what's in here first. They do such a great job with all their packaging, and look at all these stickers. They give you so many little stickers. So cute. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna wear this as a gentle reminder to myself. Oh wow, look at you. Oh, is this color? Look how pretty! Wow, what's this color called? This is the Lunar Silver. So smooth. It's also got the built-in screen protector as well, which is very nice. We've got our cable, we've got our warp charge 65. Beefy boy or girl. I'm gonna set this up, read a little bit more about the cameras, and then we'll go outside and take some videos and photos. So this has a new 120Hz fluid display with a new flexible flowscape display. It's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, 5G, up to 128 gigs of RAM, and up to 256 gigs of storage. This has the widest ultra-wide camera ever at 123 degrees. Hi, Matthew. You wanna sit on my lap? You wanna learn together? Hold on a second, I need to read this to you. We gotta learn something very quickly. We can do 4K, 30 and 60, and 1080 at 3060. We can do super slow-mo 720 and 480, 1080 at 240. Isn't that exciting? Hey, listen up. Be excited. Maddie, we can do 4K 30. We can also do 1080 30. It's pretty exciting, you know? We've got optical image stabilization. The ultra wide has a field of view 123 degrees. Can you believe that? Do you wanna see the cases? Look, check this out. This one looks really cool. Very excited about this one. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at that. So are you gonna sit here the whole time, or am I gonna get a little bit of space? Okay, that has answered the question. Hey, you wanna take a selfie? Let's take a selfie, okay? Here we go. No, okay, well now I need you in your... Do you want down, or like what's going on? All right, now that I have some space, let's take some selfies. It's so crazy coming from a display that's not 120 hertz, and then when you actually do get to 120 hertz display, it's just the smoothness, the quickness, so snappy. Ultra wide is so wide, my yard looks like a football field. I'm gonna get really close to Maddie and see what he looks like in the wide angle. What's wrong, buddy? I think he's having tummy tickles. Okay. Let's see if we can turn on macro. Let's get a super macro on this Apple Watch band. Whoa. That's so crazy. Look at Maddie. We are now shooting our first video of a wild Maddie boy in the wild. Hey, why do you look so sad? Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, so my neighbors are playing Who Let the Dogs Out. Can you hear that? Can you guys hear that? And here's the wide angle video. He looks a little overexposed. There we go, that looks perfect. Hey Maddie, do you wanna go to the mall later? Too bad, there's a pandemic. I know how much you wanted to go to the mall. We're now shooting front-facing video on the new OnePlus 8T. This looks really good. I feel like sometimes when I'm doing front-facing videos, they start, I don't know, like either the exposure isn't right, but this looks good. Skin tones look nice. The dog is still looking at me, wondering what I'm doing. I mean, he wonders what I'm doing, but I also wonder all day, like, what is he doing? This is 4K 30. Here's wide angle of Maddie. Hi, buddy. And there's a little zoom in on your little cute face. And there's a real big zoom in on your face. Let's go back to wide. And then we will do a little selfie version of myself. Hello. I guess it's kind of a selfie, although it's the back-facing camera, not the selfie camera. Are you eating a stick? You are. This is gonna be 4K Cine 30, 21:9 widescreen Ultra HD cinema quality. Feature film. We're out here. We have spotted a wild poodle, Bichon, Chihuahua mix, and we know that because we got his DNA test. Hey Maddie, let's talk about it. Where did you come from? Where did you come from? Where did you go? How do you like this cinema quality? What are you eating? Let's zoom in and see if we can see it. Oh, it's a stick. The dog is eating a wild piece of stick. Oh, we gotta hop into some slow-mo. Now that we've got some video, let's take a few photos. Tyler, would you mind taking a few photographs? Whoa, did we just pop into like a professional photo studio? I mean, my shirt's wrinkled, but wow, these look really good. It seems like it's doing a little lighting effect around the face. I'm super impressed with these photos. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this first look at the new OnePlus 8T. I'm such a huge fan of everything that OnePlus does, and they really do make a quality phone. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys have any other questions, and I will answer those either on Twitter or on Instagram or here in the YouTube comments. I'll see you next time. Bye. I love this case. Like this is so, just take a look, one more look. It's cool. Okay, you're done looking now.